Everyone, it's Joanne. So I wanted to showcase the features of this amazing little find. It is the portable camping fan with battery and LED lantern. It gets real hot outside, and this ultimate camping fan not only keeps you cool, it will charge your phone and lights up the space. So it has this rechargeable battery at the bottom. It's built in, comes with USB-C charging cord. The power on this battery is seriously huge. It keeps the fan running for hours, along with charging your devices. It has two ports here. You can do C to C, or you can do USB. So you can charge your phone or any other gadgets that you have. Look at that, charges it right up. I love it. So you can adjust the wind speed. It has low, medium, and high, or actually 5 different speeds. Oh my gosh, the high is so amazing. It puts out so much air. So the LED lantern has 3 brightness levels. It has low, medium, and high. So you can just have ambient lighting and then turn it off. Ambient lighting, a little brighter and much brighter. So it has a lot of light. So it's great for nighttime reading, tent lighting, little light after the sun goes down. So it also, crazy enough, has a timer capability. What? So you can automatically time it for 1 to 4 hours so it shuts off and saves your battery if you're using it camping, you want it on while you're falling asleep. This fan is amazing. It can adjust the airflow so you can face it the way you want it. So you can do 270 degrees. Or it has this hanger that you can hang it up in your tent or wherever, and it clicks to 360 degrees so you can have it facing whichever way you want. It's lightweight, it's super portable, it's built to be used outdoors. It is the best gadget for outdoor hanging out while cooking at the grill, camping, the beach, outdoor events. It is the best fan. It is the power bank all in one. I love it.